This is the most powerful bike I've ever ridden. Just taking off. We're already at 15 miles an hour. Like, talk about torque. I mean, it says it has 100 Newton meters of torque. This might be the first bike that I actually believe it. All right, people, crazy bike. Heybike Ranger S. And this is the 1,000 watt version for $13.99. It has a 1,000 watt rear hub motor with, it says, 1800 peak. I will say it has crazy power. So I don't know if it's quite 1800 watts. It feels more like maybe 1200 watts, but still crazy power. It's got a 48 volt 14 amp hour battery in this down tube. You can use this key to take the battery out. Here's the charging port. It does fold, and it has hydraulic disc brakes in the front and rear with 180 millimeter rotors. Okay. It's got nice mag wheels, which is really cool. It's got these nice fenders, which are nice, like not crap, you know, these are nice fenders. It's got suspension forks, and it's got a headlight and a taillight with actual blinkers on it, which is pretty cool. It's got this cool thing right here. You push this button and it's auto, and the light turns on when it's dark, and it turns off when it's not dark. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like one of those daytime running lights on a car. So you push this button right here and the display comes on. It's got speed, it's got pedal assist level, it's got battery level, and it also has blinkers and a horn. Okay, we're gonna go for a ride. So first off, crazy power, like no joke. Of all the bikes in this kind of range, a 20x4, this is the most powerful bike I've ever ridden. This blows away just about anything else. Crazy freaking power. I don't know about the 750 watt, but this 1,000 watt is just nuts. You know, we're gonna do a little grass test and just show you how quickly this thing freaking takes off and how powerful it is. This is a really thick grass. We're at a dead stop right now, and look at this. It even lifts up in the front, like when you do it. Look at this, just taking off. We're already at 15 miles an hour. This thing is nuts. So crazy freaking power. Really comfortable. The suspension, really for front suspension, is really nice. It's a cool looking bike. I like the color, and it says it goes 28 miles an hour, and we're gonna check it out. One thing I can say is, unlike most bikes, you don't have to have it in pedal assist 5 to get the full throttle. You just put it in pedal assist 1 and you got full throttle. Okay, but like, look at this. This thing's got crazy power, handles all this stuff like nothing. Look at this. Nuts. Look at this, people. We're going 20 miles an hour through the freaking grass. And we're accelerating. Like, isn't that something? Dang. Yeah, this is nice. Like, talk about torque. I mean, it says it has 100 Newton meters of torque. This might be the first bike that I actually believe it. You know, a lot of bikes, Super 73s, all these different bikes say they have like 80 Newton meters of torque. That's BS. This thing actually has at least, definitely 100, maybe even 120. Crazy, crazy. Okay. Thank you. Definitely with these tires, you can just do just about any kind of terrain. Dirt easy, grass. Gravel, easily gravel. And I have them pumped up to 20 psi right now, and it gives you a little extra bounce. I think they want them at 25, and it's even got blinkers, which is pretty cool. We're gonna do a little bit of a speed test here, see what that's all about. We're gonna put it in pedal assist 1 and just see what that's all about. And it's got 7 gears also. I'm in gear 2. Let's put it in gear 4. Alright, is that the fucking problem? Got a freaking branch in the thing. Oh god. Alright, that makes sense. Alright. Gear 1, you go about 8 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour. Actually 11 miles an hour. Okay, gear 2, or this is pedal assist 2, excuse me. Pedal assist 2, go about 13. Pedal assist 3, got a gear up. Going about 14. Pedal assist 4. Going 17. Pedal assist 5 just takes off like a freaking bullet. Jesus. Okay, I got up to 29 on pedal assist 5. It says it goes 28. I got to 29, which is pretty cool. Okay. And yeah, the hill climbing capability is freaking nuts. We're gonna go up a really freaking steep hill by my house. Gotta take most of my bikes up and just see what kind of power this thing's got. So we're doing throttle only, and we're going 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So it goes 28 on throttle, and I got up to 29 on pedal assist. Pretty cool. All right, so let's see. Oh boy. Hey guys. Okay, watch this. Dead stop. Dead stop. This is a crazy hill that I get up nothing on this freaking hill in the grass anyway. Look at this. All the way through. Alright. A little bit of sand here. Got carving capabilities, no problem. Yeah, this feels like 1200 watts. I don't know about 18. And the battery, 48 volt, 14 amp hour. With throttle only, you might get, you're lucky to get 20, 25. You know, with pedal assist, you're definitely going to get about 25. Low pedal assist. Okay, we're going to start from a dead stop and see what we can do here. This is about a 8 to 10% grade here in a second. Okay. Cool thing is when you give it throttle, it like lurches forward. I mean, it's got that kind of power, you know. Come on. So yeah, very few bikes I've ridden can actually do what this is doing right now. Throttle only up this hill, and we're going 9 miles an hour. Like, that's pretty cool. Definitely got some torque on this thing. Yeah, I mean, we're going 10 miles an hour now. So yeah, you got a lot of freaking torque on this thing, people. And again, with the throttle override, I mean, you put it in pedal assist 1 and you got full throttle. You got to be kind of careful. You know? Like, watch when I want you to see how this thing thrusts forward. Okay, ready? Watch. See, it lifts up. It's hard to tell, but it lifts up on you. It goes from like depressed on the suspension to like fully, you know, up the minute you give it throttle. Like, it has that kind of power. Look at this. Dang. Nice brakes. So yeah, this is a nice bike, people. It's in the same category as far as the step through, the size, the tires, the full suspension, all that, as a lot of other bikes. But what really sets this apart is the power on this thing. Good lord. So that's it, people. The Heybike Ranger S, $13.99 1,000-watt version. And there's a 750 watt version, which I assume is probably still pretty powerful, and that's $11.99. Okay, check it out. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace out. On your left. On your left. Thank you. I tell you, man, nobody can freaking hear with their headphones. It's like somebody could come up behind these people and just like attack them. They wouldn't even know. It's like, good Lord, people.